Hi, I'm Xavier. I'm a senior product manager at Inato. I arrived in December 2020 now. It's been 1.5 years. So down the line, I found the perfect fit as a product manager at Inato, where I found this great product and great vision and a culture I'm aligned and feeling with. Who are we collaborating with when doing product at Inato? At the beginning of a project, usually we are very tightly connected with cross-functional teams like the business teams, sales, account management, and operations. They have the voice of the market, the voice of the users, and they have the expertise and are capable of helping us reach out to do interviews, for instance. They're also going to contribute about the problem narrowing down and the solution design. Inato's current product is a value-proven marketplace matching hospitals with clinical trials. The value we provide to those hospitals is increased access to clinical trials. They have the capabilities and the patients to be able to work on clinical trials, but for the moment, the market is not using it enough. For pharma companies, on the other hand, they are looking to trust the capabilities of these hospitals to deliver on a clinical trial. So our matching process was specifically developed for hospitals to showcase their capabilities and us assessing their capabilities, then recommending them to the pharma company. This way, the pharma company has all cards in hand to make the right decision, and potentially, if they don't select the hospital, give them the feedback about why they were not selected. So what's the future of our product? We have 4 scopes ahead we want to invest in for the coming 2 years. The first one is getting this matching feature from the V1 to the V10 to be able, as a marketplace, to leverage the quantity and quality of data we get from the transactions to improve the future recommendation and matching experiences. Second, we want to bring some SaaS capabilities during the trial execution to help hospitals and pharma deliver and execute the clinical trials. Third, we want to create organic growth as much as possible. So we want product-led growth on the marketplace to increase the supply and the demand of the platform. And fourth, we want to invest and discover how we can help our hospitals increase their capabilities through services and softwares to be able to reduce the barrier of access to clinical trials. So what's a great product manager for Inato? First and foremost, being great problem solvers. Taking a problem, getting the quantitative and qualitative insights that are necessary to really understand it deeply and go to the root causes of the problem, understand the system, all its components, and being able to surface the opportunities we would want to invest in, for which we want to develop solutions. Second, we want bold and creative minds. We want to be able to imagine solutions that are innovative. Get out of the space and try to understand something that we didn't think about before, or a challenge that potentially was thought about but was so complex that we didn't dare investing in it. So it's about developing complex systems and making sure that those systems are compelling, solve issues, and want to be used and purchased by our users in the market. And last, we want people that are drawn by our mission and are drawn by health topics and the impact we want to have on patients down the line. We don't, however, need people that already have an experience in this field. Neither do we need people that have a technical and engineering background. It's more about problem solving, business, understanding the market and the users, and having a creative mind about what we can do to solve those problems.